If you're an SMMA owner, you're looking for new clients, I'm going to go over the worst niches to go after for your SMMA. We've worked with over 600 plus business owners, so I know the shittiest niches possible to where there's low retention, a lot of headaches, so that you can skip that and find higher quality clients. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first ones right off the rip are any niches that have to do with like MLM programs, trading, Forex, affiliate marketing. Those are the worst niches. They have the worst margins and they have the worst clients, because most people who are buying programs to buy a business or to buy this like automated e-com thing, right? So you see all these stores that people buy, or they buy into some program where they can start their own X business. Those are the worst clients to get, because they don't have actual fucking experience. They just had leftover money in their savings. They bought a business. They want to run ads. They want to do marketing, and they have no fucking clue what's entailed. So those are the worst, like, by far. So anybody who's like, I see a lot of people who, buy these like business funding, business affiliate deals where they can buy a link. It's like an affiliate link, and then they can sell business funding through it, or they can sell affiliate products for Amazon. Like, those are the worst fucking clients on the planet. Okay, so because they have no idea how actually to run a business. They just had money, they spent it on a program, and now they think they're an entrepreneur, even though they're an idiot. So number two is anything that has a lot of compliance around it. So weight loss, hyperpigmentation, you have, what else is there? Like, not massage places, but anything that has to do with like body-based services, it's very hard. Like med spas, yeah, they're good niches because you can run other traffic sources, but you can't run all the traffic sources for a med spa. There's a lot of compliance behind it. It's easy to get banned on ad platforms, because if you do one little thing, you zoom in too much on someone's body part, or you say X word, you're going to get disabled. So Facebook will ban you, then TikTok, then Google next, and it's very tough. Sometimes if you put in med spa in Google, they might just ban you right off the rip without even setting up an ad. So it's like, they're just, anything that is like on the verge of uncompliance, I would not go after, because that's going to cause a lot of fulfillment headaches. And if you do keep the client, it can end at any moment. Like, you could have a couple $100 of ad spend a day running, all of a sudden you get banned. Client might ask for a refund of that current month, or they're going to try to blame it on you, or they might do a chargeback. So anything that's like uncompliant, stay away from that. Number three is drop shipping stores. I can't tell you enough how many people that we've tried to work with that we stopped working with that have like these drop shipping stores. And it's like, you have no concept, no like basis of what's actually working. You have no proof of data to support these items, but you want to run ads at scale and make a ton of money. It's kind of like number one, where we talk about people who buy certain businesses or buy a certain store. Like, drop shipping is the worst niche right now. We want to work with real brands who have real data, who have a real product, who control their shipping costs, who aren't just predicated off Chinese suppliers and, certain already preset fixed costs of what their COGS look like. There are variables in drop shipping that don't allow it to be scalable right now. Also, inflation, heightened shipping costs, heightened costs of ad spend, all these different things are just making it very hard for you to actually scale a drop shipping store. For anybody who's looking to run drop shipping or has clients right now, they need massive amounts of capital to make that work. Because then once that concept's proven, now you have to take your capital and go get a private label. And the private label is going to cost you money to partner with, and there's minimum inventory costs. So they might require you to buy 5,000 quantities minimum. And for that, I mean, you're going to need at least $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. And if you don't make the client $30,000, $40,000 in profit, they don't have money to move the private label, and their odds are they're going to quit that business and drop you as a client. So those are the three worst niches that I would stay away from at SMMA. And also, if I wanted to add one more, it would be like insurance agents or real estate agents. They're the brokest people on the planet. They just get into business because they joined some bullshit like MLM, and they just think that they can now sell homes. Like, for you to get a real estate license, you need a pulse and one brain cell. For you to sell insurance, you don't really need much skill either. Like, you don't need anything, really. Realistically, you could sell insurance and you could be fucking dead. I mean, it doesn't take much skill. So like niches like that, where there's a low barrier to entry for someone to become a real estate agent or an insurance agent, they're not good clients either. They don't know sales. And you've always heard people on the phone say to you, as long as you get me leads, I'll close them. That's like one of people's favorite sentences when they're on the phone with us. We get them leads, and then they all of a sudden they can't close them. They're like, oh, the leads are shit. I'm like, actually, they're not. You just suck at sales and you won't admit it. So that's where I would really step away from clients who say things like that, because odds are they're the worst salespeople on the planet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.